No, go find them.
Okay, go find them.
Rita, no. Where did they go? Okay.
You might want to take your shoes off. No.
Okay, stop. Go forward.
Come on.
Go, Rita. Wait, Dad, let me get a picture of that. Dad, let me get a picture of you.
I'm making a video right now.
Look at this one over there.
Look at these guys.
Watch your baby.
Whoa.
You're getting hot. That means
Raymond, where the hell did you put the eggs at, dude?
Okay. Roll it.
Back in my axe!
No, it's in the middle, Raina. You're not even in the middle.
Oh.
Okay, that's been carrying too long. Get them their basket.
No, Raina. What the heck? Rachel, take it off.
Kelly.